We ain't been here for a little bit, but we've been busy working. Right here's a little project we got going on. It's gonna look completely different in about a week or two. This is a 30-foot by 8-foot old camper frame, and we're about to build a nice little tiny home on. I done reinforced it some, and we put some, repainted it all. Gonna build some of these walls up, and we're gonna get some B-roll footage for you. So yeah, let's check it out. Alright, so we're done for today. We framed up about 3 more walls. Tomorrow, if it's not raining, we'll come in and put the floor in and subfloor and throw the walls up, and I'll order the metal Monday. And Tuesday, y'all can see us throw some siding up. Maybe we can get some windows installed. Until then, see y'all later.